come the Eastern tradition is so radically different from that of the West? What's the spiritual dividing line between East and West? Can we identify a source for Western thought that is distinct from that of the East? Campbell thinks we can.
It's a fascinating one. It's a period of enormous transformations. In Persia, there's a great teacher at this time, Zoroaster. Now, it's out of the Zoroastrian or Zarathustra message that our whole Western tradition comes, in contrast to that which is of the Buddha. Zoroaster was totally against sacrifice. He was totally against the whole drift of these psychologies in India and of the earlier mythologies that were concerned with putting yourself in harmony with the universe. Zoroaster, in his mythology, sees two gods. Ahura Mazda, the Lord of Light. Ahura means kind of spirit, and Mazda is this particular spirit of light. Ahura Mazda, who is all light, all benevolence, all power, all knowledge. And then against him is the opposite deity called Angra Mainyu, darkness, hypocrisy, and deception. What he has done has been to concretize two opposites. The good and the evil, the light and the dark, have been here personified, over-personified, you might say, as gods. And the mythology is as follows, that the good God created a good world which was all light, consequently invisible. To see something, you have to have shadow. And Angra Mainyu, who's always late and always jealous, is angry at seeing this and decides to do something about it and pours darkness and sin and everything nasty into it. And so there is a fall. And so the universe consists of a good and an evil power in conflict and in union. So do not put yourself in harmony with the universe. That's exactly what you mustn't do. That's what you are in the first place. You're a mixture. You must, through intention, through decision, through action, and through courage, align yourself with what you recognize as the good. And then the myth tells that there came into the world a savior to teach the way to accent the good, and as a result of the action of this savior, there is now taking place a restoration. There are the good people who are restoring the world to its original condition, so that you have a straight line ascent to a restoration. And there will come a time when the crisis will occur, when all darkness will be wiped out. There will be a second coming of the Savior in the form of a figure known as Saoshyant, and darkness will be permanently eliminated, the Lord of Darkness himself eliminated, and there will be nothing but light again. Do you recognize the story?